If you've been trying to figure out how to put a call extension onto your Google ad like the one that you are looking at right now, this video is for you. Hey everybody, Stuart McAdam here and welcome to today's video. I hope you are going to find this incredibly useful, and guess what? It's quite a simple setup as well. So here we are in the Google Ads setup for a search-based campaign, and we can see now that we have got our preview ready with the different headlines and descriptions that we have inputted into the different sections. However, we don't have the call extension yet. To do that, we need to scroll down all the way until we see the more asset types. Now, this one is showing publicly. However, it may be something where it is hidden like it is now. If you see it this way, just click on the drop down button and this will then pull up the different sections. We want to click on calls and we want to click on the plus button. What this is going to do is it will allow you to set up a new call extension. So we want to click on the blue new call button, and from here we want to choose the country that we are operating in. So let's select New Zealand, and then we want to input our business number. Once we have done that, we want to double check and make sure that we do have the right country calling code and the correct phone number as well. And all of that is looking great, so we want to click on the save button. What this is going to do is it will create a new call extension, and we can now preview what that call extension will look like on the right hand preview section right next to the setup. And the most important thing, once you have done all of that, is to go down to the bottom corner and click on apply. So when you publish your ad, the call extension will be displaying with your ad at the bottom underneath the descriptions. I hope you found this simple step-by-step tutorial useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button down below and consider subscribing for more ongoing Google Ads tutorials just like this one. Have a fantastic day, everybody.